Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Learning World. So today we will learn to draw lots of beautiful and cute makeup. Let's draw an eye palette. Add a mirror on the top and draw 6 heart-shaped eyeshadows inside. Next, draw a beautiful lipstick. Start with the lipstick tube, then draw the lipstick coming out from the top. Add a cute star on the tube. Now draw a round compact powder. Sketch the open lid with a mirror. Then draw the powder inside and decorate it with a pretty flower. Red. Light pink color. Purple color. Orange color. Dark green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Wow, our drawings are looking so gorgeous! Dark green color. Mustard color. Purple crayon. Gray crayon.
Letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Red color. Sea blue color. Pink crayon. Dark green color. Orange color.
Wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it.
Pink color. Dark blue crayon. Purple color. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next fun drawing video. Take care and bye-bye.